looking them to side. This. Pretty heavy for a one-hander. Yesterday I went to Micro Center to get these guys, the micro connectors, the assorted PC screws with 220 pieces, which is a very valuable buy. Shout out to Micro Center, provided things over at the store. So while looking through these, here's what I didn't realize. In the bottom cage, my goodness. Oh my goodness. The kit is what I was looking for. Lian Li is very sneaky while providing these screws somewhere in the hard drive cages. So while going through a case, watch out for this. It's either Lian Li does this a lot, or some manufacturers provide you motherboarding screws in the drive cages or not. So just double check to make sure that these are all provided. So just to keep that in mind next time. So this is my noob mistake. I actually installed at least 6 motherboard screws on the motherboard right there. But given that I have these in inventory, I'll go ahead and actually remove these, but I'll save these in a different build. But now I can actually use these finally with confidence, so I can actually start with my part 2. Hooray for these hidden screws in the driving bay that I didn't know about. Very sneaky Lian Li, but I like it though. Alright, so first and foremost, I want to apologize to Lian Li because of my insufficient knowledge that hardware kit was provided in this drive bay, in this third slot. I know I reached out to them asking for an extra hardware kit, but now that I know, I can go ahead and resume the build, get started, and hopefully I can do some benchmarks right after this. Alright, 2:06 in the afternoon, August 3rd, 2020. About to transfer this from home to Riverside. Alright, hopefully that lasts long during transit. this XP. Turn off the computer. We don't need it anymore. Look how long it takes to shut down. What the heck is... Oh. Oh, it did shut down. Alright, never mind.
Hey, yo, hold up, bring that beat back real quick, man. Yo, y'all can't do this without your boy Flo, man. Yeah. I don't know, she moving to the game, I can go out with the bouquet. Cold wax, butter, on the push, I'm on the muscle, like I'm in the buffet. You can have it, just sleep, skinny, get it down the bouquet. What's it got? If you forgot that I'm hot, then I'm coming at you like a toolkit.
Good morning, it's about 10:02 August 4th, Tuesday. So, quick update on the mounting screw kit. A shout out to Sandy Chen for reaching out to me via email. Thank you so much for replying. I've been informed that the mounting hardware kit will be delivered via DHL, and I got a confirmation text, and in doing so, I will wait until August 10th because that's the date to be delivered at home. And with that said, now I can can get to work on salvaging whatever I have here in my brother's room. So I'll save this for now. Ugh, it's dusty. Save those fans. I'm gonna work on the inventory, and I'll see if I can build another computer using whatever leftover hardware I have here. So maybe a different chassis, a different power supply, a different graphics card, and yep, this is what I'm gonna hopefully do in the coming time of this unprecedented time of quarantine here. All right, I'll catch you guys later.